Karpacz, a captivating mountain town nestled in the Karkonosze range of Poland, is a beloved destination that seamlessly marries natural beauty, outdoor adventure, and cultural charm. Renowned for its stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant recreational opportunities, Karpacz offers an enchanting escape for nature enthusiasts, history buffs, and anyone seeking an exhilarating mountain getaway. The Karkonosze Mountains, with their lush forests, alpine meadows, and pristine trails, provide a haven for outdoor activities. Hiking enthusiasts can explore a network of trails that lead to breathtaking viewpoints, including the iconic Śnieżka Mountain, the highest peak in the Sudetys range. During winter, Karpacz transforms into a winter wonderland, offering excellent skiing, snowboarding, and other winter sports. Karpacz's architecture adds to its unique character. The Wang Church, a wooden Scandinavian stave church dating back to the 12th century, stands as a historical gem that reflects the town's cultural heritage. The town's cozy lodges, charming cottages, and chalet-style buildings contribute to its alpine ambience, creating a picturesque setting for a mountain retreat. For those seeking a bit of thrill, the Karpacz Alpine Coaster offers an exhilarating ride through the mountain terrain, combining speed and stunning vistas. The nearby Western City theme park provides a fun family experience, allowing visitors to step into the Wild West with various attractions and activities. Karpacz is not only a destination for active pursuits but also a place of relaxation and wellness. The town's spa and wellness centers offer a chance to unwind amidst the mountain backdrop, providing a range of treatments that rejuvenate the body and soul. The town's cultural scene is vibrant, with galleries, craft stores, and workshops showcasing the talents of local artists. The Museum of Toys and Play provides an engaging look into the history of playthings, while the Museum of Sport and Tourism delves into the region's mountaineering heritage. Karpacz's dining scene introduces visitors to Polish cuisine, often featuring hearty dishes that are perfect for mountain living. Local eateries offer traditional pierogi, kielbasa, and other Polish favorites, allowing visitors to savor the flavors of the region. Whether you're hiking through breathtaking landscapes, immersing yourself in cultural attractions, enjoying outdoor adventures, unwinding in a spa, savoring local cuisine, or simply relishing the mountain atmosphere, Karpacz offers an unforgettable and immersive experience that captures the essence of Poland's mountain charm, history, and natural allure, leaving an indelible mark on all who venture into its captivating embrace.